In a dramatic turn of events that has reverberated through both Buckingham Palace and Hollywood, Prince Harry is reportedly facing a significant crisis as U.S. immigration authorities have stamped his visa application with a permanent ban designation. This shocking development follows a federal court's order to release documents related to his visa application, prompting an urgent situation for the Duke of Sussex. The ruling, delivered by a federal judge in Washington, D.C., required the Department of Homeland Security to disclose all records connected to Prince Harry's 2020 visa application within a week. This order came in response to a Freedom of Information lawsuit filed by the Heritage Foundation, a conservative think tank that questioned how Harry was granted entry into the United States despite his public admissions of past drug use, which typically lead to serious immigration consequences. For the unversed, the Duke of Sussex has been fighting a legal battle against the UK government after the Home Office downgraded the level of protection he gets when he visits the UK following his 2020 exit from the royal family. Express reported that the former royal butler Grant Harold claimed that Harry fears any assassination attempts on him and his family due to his love-hate relationship with the Britons. I think Harry's biggest concern about returning is anyone trying to attack him or his family because there is a love-hate relationship between him and the British public. He will be worried about that relationship. There is always a risk and that will always be in the back of his mind, the royal family's well-wisher stated. This is potentially the biggest reason he won't return, but I think it's also to do with his family. As he hasn't got the protection here, I'm sure it's part of the reason he doesn't want to return, and he is worried about any assassination attempts on him or his family. Meanwhile, Jonathan Phillips, the lead attorney for the Heritage Foundation, asserted that the American public deserves to know if Prince Harry received preferential treatment. No one is above the law, regardless of their royal title or connections, he emphasized. Preliminary reviews of the documents have revealed a troubling discrepancy between what Prince Harry disclosed in his memoir, Spare, regarding his drug use and what he stated on his official immigration forms. This inconsistency has prompted a review by Homeland Security, resulting in the troubling designation of a potential permanent ban. As the news broke, chaos ensued within the Sussex household. In a moment of desperation, Prince Harry made an emergency call to King Charles around 3 a.m. London time, seeking guidance and support. However, sources indicate that the conversation was tense, and King Charles ultimately refused to intervene in his son's legal troubles. Despite Harry's pleas for assistance, the king remained steadfast in his position, expressing disappointment at the situation but offering no help. Royal insiders noted that this refusal reflects a growing tension in their relationship, which has been strained since Harry and Meghan stepped back from royal duties and publicly criticized the monarchy. The king believes this crisis is a consequence of Harry's own actions and choices, stated a palace source. He feels that intervening would set a dangerous precedent. This refusal to assist comes at a particularly precarious time for the Sussexes, who have been striving to solidify their brand and business ventures in the United States. The potential ban not only jeopardizes Prince Harry's residency status but could also threaten their lucrative contracts with companies like Netflix and Spotify, which form the foundation of their post-royal financial independence. The differing reactions within the couple have raised eyebrows among their staff and associates. While Prince Harry seemed to grasp the gravity of the situation and sought help from his father, Meghan Markle appeared more focused on managing their public image. Sources close to the couple revealed that while Harry was frantically trying to reach King Charles, Meghan was engaged in discussions with their PR team about how to spin the story to their advantage. This approach has reportedly created tension in their Montecito home, with some staff members expressing concern over Meghan's priorities amid such a serious legal challenge. Harry understands that this isn't just about public perception, it's about the potential legal ramifications of misleading federal authorities.